Can you dye a shirt dark blue with some old copper pennies? Can you use an avocado to dye your shirt red?
Welcome to As Seen on Social Media. We're just regular people putting viral social media posts to the test.
Hey guys, welcome back. So this morning Blossom uploaded a video entitled Unusually Natural Ways to Dye Your Clothes. And in the video, they make the claim that you can use some old pennies to dye a shirt blue. So we got a bunch of old pennies here. Most of them are wheat backs, but if you look closely at their video, you can tell they use some pretty current change as well. So we're going to use a mixture of all of them, and we're going to go ahead and put this to the test along with a couple others that they showed in the video, like Cabbage and Tumeric, and we're going to put those to the test. As you can hear, I got the water boiling. We're just going to take a straightforward approach, and we're going to take our pennies and put them into this jar and throw some hot water on it and see what it does. See if we can't dye a shirt. Okay, we're gonna hot water right into the pennies there. Now, according to their video, I should see the water turning blue almost immediately. I don't see no reaction happening there. And we'll give it some time. Maybe come back to it. But as of yet, I don't see anything happening. And if we can't get the water to turn blue, then pretty much dead. Okay, for this one, it says we're going to get a dark red from the turmeric, and as typical of anything Blossom puts out, they're not specific on how much, but it looks like they put about that much water here. We're just going to pour our hot water in and hope it doesn't bust this jar. Now, according to Blossom, when we put the baking soda in, it's going to be a blood red. Definitely got a reaction there. Kind of looks red. So like in their video, it really don't say how long to leave it in, so we're going to let it sit. Meanwhile, we got our pennies on. I'll put the timer on. I don't see any effect yet. We will wait an hour, I guess. That would be an appropriate amount of time. We'll come back and check on that. This one we're going to test out the red cabbage. Now, according to Blossom, red cabbage plus hot water . Red cabbage plus hot water equals purple. Here's our hot water. One that says if we add cabbage plus hot water plus vinegar, we would get a hot pink. And it does look like it turned pink. Hot water. Plus baking soda. Is going to give us a teal, according to Blossom. Okay, according to Blossom, you can take your old avocado scraps. I happen to have the scraps of about 10 avocados here. I think 9 or 10. One I didn't use, so I think 9. and boil this. And you should turn pink, and you can dye your shirt. We're gonna come back after that boils and check it. Meanwhile, it's been almost a full hour and I don't see any discoloration or any change in the color of the water whatsoever. Avocado's been boiling there for a couple minutes. I don't see much of a color change at all, but I'll let it boil for a while and see what happens. It looks like more green than anything. It looks like a mess if you ask me. Nothing like what Blossom showed. Boiling for a few minutes there. Still no change in the watercolor. More green than anything. We'll stir it and keep going. Avocado scraps have been boiling for over 6-7 minutes, I believe, and so far there is no color change. I don't think there's going to be, other than ugly green. It's definitely not pink as to the claim. That's about the color we got out of it. Okay, but be careful, this is really hot. Take a quick look. Oh. I'm going to go ahead and turn that off. I think it's pointless at this point. Let that cool off so I can do something with it. Yeah. So it has been over an hour for our pennies. The water's about warm to the touch. I stirred them a little bit to see if we can get any color change in the water, and I see zero. Still looks clear. We were successful with the cabbage though. This one turned out to be true. This is the one with vinegar, baking soda, and of course with nothing at all. The turmeric did actually have an effect. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to drain these all, rinse them, and dry them, and see what they look like after. So out of everything we did today, it looks like the turmeric had the best result. Even though we added the baking soda, it didn't actually dye red. It actually dyed the color of the turmeric itself. I think maybe if we would have let it set, it would have dyed more evenly. Here are the shirts that I dyed with the cabbage. It had a pretty nice effect. I think if I'd have left them in there overnight, would have been pretty cool. These have been rinsed and dried. I haven't actually washed them, I only rinsed them and dried them, so I imagine it would probably lighten up. I can't remember which one is which. I think I probably should have marked them. But I really like that one. I think I might try it again. I have a whole lot of cabbage left over. I might try it again and let them sit overnight So here's our pennies. They've been sitting in the water for about 2 hours now, and there is no color change to the water whatsoever. I even took this and forked them around a little bit and nothing. We still got clear water. You can see, so that one's a total bust. A total bust on that one. Absolutely nothing. Hey guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell so you get notifications about our videos. Hit the like button if you like this button. Check us out on Facebook. And most importantly, don't forget, if you see any unbelievable stuff out there, let us know. Peace.